shall we say?
Caroline and Prune, where do you come from?
So we come from Nantes, which is on the west coast of France, and we came to Poland specially to kayak on the Bug, because we heard that it was a beautiful river surrounded by national parks. And we were interested because it was a border with Ukraine and Belarus. And we wanted to try something different, and in a part of Europe that is very interesting for us because of its Eastern influence.
And what do you think about the nature? Birds? Are there a lot of birds? Animals?
There are loads of birds, and we are the only ones almost on the river. So it's really, really peaceful. And yeah, we just met fishermen and border guards, but we were the only one kayaking on the Bug River, so it was a good condition to see animals. Yeah, it's quite wild, and yeah, it's good. Yeah. The only thing is that we can't stop on the right bank of the river
because of the border,
and we don't have a visa. Yeah. The kayaks are really good, and the paddles, I don't know. we are no experts. We are no experts, but I think they couldn't be any better.
It sounds like an advertisement.
Well, clear blue Hawaii. The only problem is when we want to know if it's deep or not. We try with the paddle, but we are smaller than the paddle, so we don't really know.
So sometimes it's deeper than your height.
Yeah. Venez en Pologne, faire du kayak en Pologne, vous serez accueillis dans tous les villages le long du Bug. Et vous allez manger vraiment des pierogies, des pierogies, des soupes, tout est délicieux, les gens sont vraiment chaleureux. Et c'est une région intéressante pour l'histoire et la culture qu'il y a dans cette partie de la Pologne. C'est intéressant à découvrir.